wedding day. Let's roll intro. So about 2 weeks ago I did a wedding. That was like the quickest wedding I ever did in my entire life. It was remarkable, you know, like the bride and the groom, I could sense the love. Trust me, I could sense the love. It was one of my best weddings ever. Everything just went so smooth. The vibes, the energy was there. Like, love was in the air. Even though Corona was in the air as well. But yo, we'll just make it work. We'll just make it happen. You get me? We'll just make it happen. I don't really post like portrait pictures on my YouTube channel because it's not really based around just portrait photos only or photography only. But because I really love the video, I really love what I did for them. Yeah, I'm gonna post it. So like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. I'm out.
Actually, I met Shauna on Work and Travel.
We actually met on Work and Travel on Martha's Vineyard.
You know, in the courting stage, you know, Shauna never really knows say I like her, so I used to take the bus. Like, I know which bus she take for go home after work, so I used to just take the bus and follow her home just for go see her and take the bus come back. So them moments them kind of keep with me, you know.
Our first Christmas together. Christmas is a time for family and a time to be together and a time for love. The first Christmas that we spent together was actually one of the first Christmas after Mommy died. So definitely felt love, definitely felt a sense of togetherness. So that was definitely a memorable moment. I felt completed.
Yeah, nerves. You know, the proposal was a nervous, really nervous day, I remember. Never sleep from 2 nights before because, you know, making this big move. So it was a nervous day, but, you know, all worth it.
Speechless. I mean, I couldn't believe it, but I was a little shocked and surprised. I didn't expect it at that time, but I'm really happy.
Know this girl 6 years now and still get nervous around her, but really excited, you know, to start our life together.